Okay, so now we will look into the pawn challenges. So I will start with the baby APK because pawn came in. A club member wrote a secure login APK. Please break the myth of everything can be secure. So let's go to the file on and this is CTF APK. I will use JDX GUI, ZX GUI for solving this challenge. It will it will help us to see the code. We will go to com, feet of quark. We have a login class or what we call. Also see this is a code. Uh, this is Java code. Like it's similar to Java. I don't know what's Kotlin or what. So you can see it's checking for a username. Username is team quark, and then it's checking for the password. But here, toast 4 make login incorrect password. So this is my password. This is the check password. So what is this ये check password function है checking in there's encrypt pass function here. I don't understand exactly what the code is like. Basics for encode कर रहा है and doing something with the like reversing and adding 4. We can just copy this code, copy, go to ChatGPT, so it will help us explain. It will explain the code. Uh, this to this. So what is it doing? It's simple. It's creating a string buffer. It's doing base 64 encoded. Like it's हमारे पासवर्ड जो हमने डाला उसको base 64 encode कर रहा है. Then it's reversing. Then it's doing a two string to it. Then for every character, it's adding like 4 to it. We can just ask him to create reverse function for it. I will try to solve it on my own Python to copy just this thing for I in A. What it's doing is adding 4, I guess. Try to do it in 4. What do we get with this? I can just copy it, go to cyber chef. I think it's 6161 and share codes again. Now reverse किया add 4 किया subtract 4 subtract 4. I actually know like this is equals to equal, so I get it. I do it like char put it to care. Yeah, so I was doing it right then. then we have to space them. That's how we are. We will just put this reverse space so it might be analyzed and platform. That's baby kitten. तो पॉन वाला बेसिक बफर ओवरफ्लो है कुछ if you have learned buffer overflows you will know how this CTF works. You have to exceed the buffer and will give you like if you really want to learn I will highly suggest this playlist of CryptoCat buffer overflow. So yeah, this series awesome. Like I even use this code.
This video is the
solving
first
my challenges. This is like, watch this series if you really want to learn buffer overflows and all. So we will using red to win because this is a red to win challenge. How do you know that it's a red to win? So we can see the code in any decompiler of your choice. I prefer Ghidra. Uh, I have already loaded and analyzed the code, I guess, on 101, so you don't have to wait for it to load and all. Nice. And we will go to functions. So this is our main function. So it's printing the data. You have give me the address you want to find out. Then it's using getas, and getas is very vulnerable. So that's we know that it is having buffer 32 का buffer है. So that's so what we have to do is like buffer overflow करना है basic. I will not teach all, and we need to get to this function way out because it's reading a flag. So how do we get the address of way out? We can use gdb info functions, and we know this is the address of way out function. Actually you can use contours to do that. Okay, we will be using this explorer.py. Okay, simple. I will tell you that I will just go to the script once. तो ये उसके लिए कि अगर हम जी इसको यूज़ करके दिखाऊंगा मैं कि अब हमें जी डी बी से यूज़ करना है कि वी कैन यूज़ रिमोट एंड ऑल. We don't need this. Challenge name is on 01. Context बार नहीं चेक करते, चेक हम ट्रू कर देते हैं. If I will show it will show you कि कौन सी है. debug on कोई बात नहीं, debug हमें it will help us. We can do padding. So we know that buffer हमारा buffer 1 मिनट. I forgot to tell you that file it's a 64-bit LS ALF. So we will be using like 8 bytes after this, like 32 plus 8 equals 40. Now we can change this to payload, sorry, padding, and this is the address that we want. Way out, we can also put that address but we copy फिर राइट करेगा और 10 line after को हम and payload we can do like io.receive to receive पहलेगा we'll do just python 3. It will not work, I know, because there's an issue. challenge, not with the challenge, with the code. So yo buddy, you got me out. We get this message, but we are not getting the flag. So हम यहाँ तक तो पहुँचे protest तक, yo buddy, you got me out, but it's not giving us a flag. So that's because क्योंकि हमने रिटर्न नहीं किया है. So जब हमने ओवरफ्लो किया तो हमें रिटर्न भी करना है. तो how do we return? So we will need a address before this function that will do a return. So we can use dropper to find that address. Search for that. Sorry, that's 101, and we get this addresses. These two addresses are returned. So we will use this one. 364 is for packing this X address to right format. So Python3 app.py, and we will get a fake flag. So now that part, why do we need that? So we can use this thing. Was 01. I guess the code is wrong, but yeah, the code is wrong. So now we can just copy 01, 01, and we will get our flag. तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि ये चेक कर रहा है कि और ये पार्शियली लोड है, स्टैक नो कैनरी स्टैक कैनरी नहीं है, एनएक्स इनेबल्ड है, तो हम स्टैक पे डाल के अपना शेल कोड एक्सिक्यूट नहीं कर सकते हैं. पाई पाई इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर दिस चैलेंज. अगर पाई इनेबल्ड होता तो हम ये नहीं डाल पाते यहाँ पे उस एड्रेसेस, बिकॉज दे विल चेंज on each runtime. So we get our flag. To remove all this junk, you can just do info here. Debug is your info. Typing. We do this. We will just show us the flag. Show us the flag. So next challenge, Pwn 2. Nice one doing the previous challenge. Now there's one more simple, just a simple return. So not just a simple return, उन पे second step भी है. So next step क्या है, हम कोड को Pwn 2 का कोड, actually I don't put that right. So main, we have main here, asking for who has the steel mountain, and then there is that checking it in check one में a letter answer get Elliot Ellison from Mr. Robot. There's another check, Darlene Ellison, Elliot की sister. We have to pass this to so then we have a get s है, लेकिन इस टाइम क्या है कि we don't have those functions. We have xyz function and usual stuff. Xyz function don't have uh, bin cat flag. It's have bin date. And useful stuff में क्या है कि हमारे पास कुछ strings हैं, here cat flag, bin id, ls.la. So we will what we will do is कि हम कॉल करेंगे xyz को, जो कॉल करेंगे सिस्टम, we will call system, एंड सिस्टम में हम स्ट्रिंग डालेंगे बिन डेट की जगह ये बिन कैट फ्लैग वाली. So let's see how we will be doing that. Did I submit the flag? Did I forgot to submit the flag? Yeah, no, I have submitted. Next challenge, on 2. Zip resource So I will be reusing the code from here only, but not this one. Red to win with palms parameters. 64-bit one. I can code, but this is so useful. Uh, just remove all the user stuff that I will not find IP, RIP. Uh, I will be not using this. Okay, okay. So we will not searching for IP and all for the top star one. Yeah, it's more better in the sense कि I don't have to edit much code. अगर तुम वो labs करोगे तो तुम्हें easily पता चल जाएगा कि what all this is. We don't need this. Don't know. We need on 02 context elf false bug expert goes here start. We are not using blockchain either. Uh, uh, but actually how I did it? Like I didn't use this. मैं बताता हूँ मैंने यूज कैसे किया है. We'll use that code only. इसी कोड से हो जाएगा यार. इसी के चक्कर में आई एम डूइंग रॉन्ग. On 02, let's see how much buffer I can on on 2 those. So we will do sudo. You don't have to do sudo all. I'm doing it because मेरा gdb I've installed in root on debug gdb dot slash on 02. Actually मैंने path में install path add नहीं किया. I will be using cyclic for generating pattern. Also seems fine. We'll use this copy run. So first of all, it's our act field mountains elite, who is a friend of Darlene. So it's Darlene. We actually have to put this in our script too. We can automate that. Automate. So do on the flag. Copy. And we copy this RBP stuff, and then can do click that L and this stuff. So it will give us the address of RBP. तो RBP और R हमें RIP पे एडिट करना है तो RIP is like 64 plus 8 क्योंकि 8 बाइट का रजिस्टर होता है. सो और पैडिंग इज सेट. हमें फिर से रिटर्न करना है. ओके हमें रिटर्न करना है लेकिन हमें क्या करना. हाँ ओके. और व्हाट वी कैन डोंट राइट द आई रिसीव I was send 9 receive again. You can actually print this stuff, but I have already done. That's why. Yeah, it's better. So I I would just have pre-written the script and just show that. So send 9 payload. Darling class. Yeah, I got. So now we will send the payload. Okay, so but this will not work because actually yeah, way out, we don't have way out here, we have need system. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, सिमिलर टू रेड टू लिप्सी है लेकिन रेड टू लिप्सी भी नहीं है क्या, वी कैन जस्ट सर्च फॉर रेड टू, आई हैव एक्चुअली फॉर दिस रेड टू लिप्सी. It's similar to what we have to do. On tools. We will use them. No, no, no. I have done GDB. Actually जो हमें चाहिए, हमें क्या चाहिए, system address. So we'll get system. We can get system address from here. We need find that, or we actually have to run first that find that. We have to find like, yeah, actually when take a second. I really didn't practice this. Find bin national. Okay, that's how I did it. Argument required. No. I don't know. Let me see. Using let's see what are we doing. Not doing pop gadget. Gadget से तो याद आ रहा है मैंने gadget. Actually I have the code. पहले search किया था system. Okay, so we use this for getting. Okay. Yeah, so I can explain this code. Let me just copy this. Actually मैं भूल के मैंने find कैसे किया था. तो देखो सिस्टम की वैल्यू तो हमें इसे मिलेगी एफ द सिस्टम सिंबल से. ओके, पॉप RDI ये एड्रेस ये है, वी आर पॉपिंग दिस प्रिंट फ्लैग का एड्रेस मैंने कैसे फाइंड किया यार, आई डोंट बट आई डिड यू रियली, मैंने यूज किया था आई गेस, ठीक है था फाइंड ही किया था. फ्लैग the flag is an actually different name, so let me search that. HVF. or I didn't. Okay, leave it for now. I will. I will definitely put that in my comments. We print flag का वाला address है. ये तो gadget है. Then I'm putting gadget here. Print flag. Putting up print flag एड्रेस मतलब यहाँ पे जो स्ट्रिंग है फ्लैग को प्रिंट करने वाली स्ट्रिंग उसको फिर मैं पॉप RDI कर रहा हूँ. सेम प्रॉपर सी एड्रेस मिला. सेम सिस्टम एग्जीक्यूट कर रहे हैं हम. वेरी सिंपल प्रीवियस चैलेंज. And we get error. Why do we get? ये तो सिस्टम का एड्रेस है. ओके. Because of IRC. So we are not sending that. No, I just deleted that stuff. Delete it now. Quite embarrassing. Now what? Okay, we get the fix. See now. तो fake flag को टेस्टिंग हो गया और Python 3.5 font 20. Let's see. You will definitely get the flag. But I'm still confused that why I didn't get. It's supposed to get from here only, yaar. I'm sure about it. There is there's a consensus. I can also take it from here. I know. I will let you know. How do I find that? Actually, I might. It might be from here. Did I took that as from here? I will tell you. I will tell you in the comments. Like how do I get that? Actually, search. Oh, yeah. Pick out the flag. I'm just searching if I could find it. अच्छा वो था. I remember. It was protons. I remember. It was challenge 3 from protons. Split. Top Emporium split challenge. This is. It will guide me definitely. खुल जा भाई. I know यही है. I use this write up also for जब मैं कर रहा था तो. हाँ रेबिन से किया था मैंने. I just you can find it from using रेबिन. मैंने कहा भाई M to Z we get all this stuff and we can find the addresses is here. This address. Ah, all well. That was embarrassing. है ना लोग. Don't judge me bro. एक आदमी कितने सीख लेगा.